Dad? Dad?
Baby Gracie!
Dad!
How you doing,
I
man?
love you!
I love you. Oh, there's a big kiss. How's it going, man?
How do you turn on the kid channel?
How do you turn on the kid channel?
Yeah,
In the
how do you
house?
turn it on?
How do you turn on the kid channel in the house? Press the power button on the side of the TV. You know how to do that, right?
Yeah, but I don't know what channel to get on to get kid channel on.
Oh, man. I think the kid channel is channel maybe like 25.
I don't know what 25 looks like.
Get the remote.
On.
Get the remote. Get the get the remote. Get the remote. Get the remote for the TV and then press the number 2 and the number 5 when you point it at the TV. That should work for you. He was on a chair.
Bye bye. I'll give you one more kiss.
Okay, one more kiss. Okay. Thank you, buddy. I love you.
Love you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.